Hello friends, welcome back to the third part of the video series named how you can get free domain as well as web hosting. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get free SSL connection for a website so that you can protect your website for being attacked. So without wasting much more time, let's get straight into the video.
Taking trips cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart, naysayers gon' aim for your head.
Firstly, we need to open the Chrome and go to the website named freenom.com, as we have purchased the domain from this website. After that, all you need to do is to click on this sign in button. And you can sign in using your Gmail account, or you can create the account over here. As you know, in the previous video I have purchased a domain from my Google account, so I'm gonna sign it with this one only. So after signing in, you need to go to this section named services and click on my domains. As you can see, we have purchased this domain name thamaji.gq for free. All you need to do is to click on this manage button. After that, open a new tab and go to a website named cloudflare.com. So here's this website which will provide us free SSL services. So all you need to do is to click on this sign up button and create your account. I have already created my account, so I'll be clicking on this login button. So sign in using your account. So as you can see, we have just logged in. All you need to do is to click on this add a site button and type the domain which we have purchased earlier. So I am entering this domain and click on add site. We have to use this one. Click on this free and click on confirm plan. After that, this website will collect all the information of your website, of all the web pages and everything, so you can get a free SSL connection. As you can see, the scan has been completed and we have got only one record. So please note that this website should show two type of records. As you can see, we have got only one, so we'll create a new record. In type, we need to select the txt, and name we need to give enter like www, and in content we need to type drv equals to this content. Copy, paste this drive to web link. So click on the save button. and click on continue. After that we need to change the name servers. Just copy these name servers, copy, and we need to change it from here in the management tools and click on name servers. After that you need to use this one, use custom name servers, and in the name server one we need to paste this, and in the second name server paste over here and click on change name servers. Please note it could take 24 hours for the name servers to get changed, so let's wait. After changing the name servers you'll see a screen like this. All you need to click on this, get started. As you can see it is showing that automatically HTTPS rewrite. Click on save button. You can turn on this one also and click on save. Our website is actually a HTML website, so you need to click on this and click on JavaScript and CSS2 and click on save. And click on this button named finish. After that you'll see a screen like this. The next step is to go to this SSL/TLS and encrypt your website to full strict. As you can see our two records are shown here in the DNS. So let's check if our website is working or not. So let's check. So yes, as you can see here we are getting a lock button and it says site information for www.thamaji.gq connection secure. So as you can see from this trick we have got an SSL free connection in October 2020. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Moreover, please subscribe to my channel for more new videos like this, and if you have any query just ping me on the comment section. I'll be answering all of them. So thanks for watching. Until the next video, goodbye.